Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. The DocuSign e-signature connector lets you connect DocuSign to QuickBooks Online Advanced so you can create an estimate in QuickBooks, send it to DocuSign, and track the status from either app at the same time without any extra work. We'll go over how to link QuickBooks Online Advanced to DocuSign, send estimates to clients, and then track their signatures with the DocuSign connector by QuickBooks. To start, select Apps. Then look for the DocuSign e-signature connector by QuickBooks app. Select Get App Now. You'll need to give permission to DocuSign and QuickBooks to share product and transaction details. If needed, you can disconnect at any time. Select Agree. If you don't have a DocuSign account yet, select Create a DocuSign account, or select Sign in to DocuSign if you already have an account. Enter your DocuSign sign-in credentials to start the connection between DocuSign and QuickBooks. Now that you've connected QuickBooks to DocuSign, you can use QuickBooks and DocuSign together to send and manage estimates for customers. Select New, and then Estimate. Enter the customer's name and other information like an email address. Then fill out the estimate like you normally would, using all your regular products and services. Once everything's ready to go, select Save and Send with DocuSign. QuickBooks sends the estimate to DocuSign, and from here you can edit and approve it before sending it to your customer. DocuSign uses your default email message from QuickBooks when it sends estimates to customers, but you can select Actions, Edit Message to change the email they'll receive. You can also select Edit Recipients to send the estimate to more email addresses. Once everything looks right, select Send. Now you can see the status of your estimates in DocuSign, and your customer receives an email with your estimate. From there, they can review and sign the estimate to approve it. Once the customer approves and signs the estimate, its status automatically updates in DocuSign. In QuickBooks, you can monitor the progress of estimates from Manage in DocuSign. Select the link to see the estimate in DocuSign, where you can check on its approval status, download it, or print it. Now you're ready to send estimates through QuickBooks Online Advanced and DocuSign.